Hi guys, this is my table saw. It's Frommia 635. It's a nice machine, 3-phase. It has a nice wide top. This part here is aluminium and it's very nice machine. This fence is built so you can slide, and when you get the position you need, lock it here and use this, and now you can press wood here and it will stay in place. It's a very nice system because it allows you to really push against the fence without fear of deflecting it or moving it. The miter gauge is built very solidly. It is heavy. It moves very smoothly in the groove, and the only complaint I have about it is that this groove is angled, dovetailed, and that means only dovetail can slide in and out like it should. So a lot of jigs that I am going to make need to have dovetails for it to function properly. This is rise and fall handle. It moves the blade, the whole system up and down very smoothly, and this is for angles. It also moves whole system very smoothly. It takes blades up to 350 millimeters, or I think it's a 14-inch blade, that's the max, but I mostly use 10 and 12-inch or 250 and 300 mil blades because I don't cut thick stock, and I prefer to use a bandsaw for thick stuff. I will turn on the machine so you can hear it running. And here is the cut. It does a very nice job, very smooth, very precise, and it does all the tasks I needed for the joinery and for general wood cutting. This table saw comes with sliding table, but I don't have one. It mounts on these two places, and it is very useful feature, and in the future I think I'm going to make something so I can incorporate it to my work. One thing I don't like about this table saw is dust collection, because my table saw came without its original dust collection, and I had to make something up, and it works, but I think the original one is more efficient than the thing I built in. This is the original insert that came with my saw. It is heavy, thick piece of metal. It is chewed up, but it still works very nicely. I made this zero clearance so the wood doesn't fall through the saw when I use it. And one thing I did not like with this saw, that it is this wood part here. When you have this original insert, you have a big gap here, and what happens is you always have wood that is thin, that goes through, and this zero clearance helps a lot. What I like about this original one is that when you insert it, it goes in like very nicely, and it is very stable in here. So you can see how this was chewed up and how big of a hole you have here. This metal here was not straight when I got the saw, and I used my router to straighten it out to make the opening a bit bigger, so I could incorporate this zero clearance fence. So that's it. It is the tool I use every day, and for now it is the best saw I have ever had. And only thing other than the zero clearance and the dust collection I did was to change the bearings, because the old ones were rather old and used up. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I use my bench as the outfit table, and it works perfectly for that. So thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, questions about the saw, feel free to ask. Thank you.